All right, kids, so I'm in lesson 4, level 7, the Choose Your Own Adventures, and this is the flowers. I'll do flowers first. So let's click on this puppy and see what this is about. So I think, if I recall, there's a couple of things we need to do on this, and notice that they are declaring an array of strings, which are the names of the flowers, and there is an array of colors, which are also strings. I do want to point this out. Take a gander at this, that the zero element, for example, is a rose, and the zero element in the colors is actually this string of 3 colors. And for example, the daisy, which is at index 2, has this string white and yellow. And so what I'm going to be doing, if I go down here, I'm going to want to print an output like this. So I want to print the flower, followed by a colon, followed by a space, it looks like, and then I want to print out the colors at the same index as my flower is. And it's got to look like that, or the test won't check. So let's go look at the flowers class. So the flowers class looks like there is an array of flower names, which are strings, and a private array of flower colors, which are also strings. And then the constructor down here in line 13, the constructor, to create a new flower object, I'm going to pass it the array of flower names and the array of flower colors, and both of those arrays contain strings. And here is the toString method, which is what I am going to try to code up. They're giving me like this default kind of a result to start with, and I'm going to fill that in with tulip, colon, space, then colors. So I am going to go for int, and I'm going to use I instead of index, so I equals 0. I want I to always be less than, and it's probably not going to matter which one I use. I'm going to use flower names. I could use flower colors, but I'll use flower names to check my length. So I will go flower names dot length, and then I want to increment my index by 1 every time. And then I want my result to be equal to what my result, I should probably say my new result is going to be equal to my current result, plus I'm going to concatenate, and then I want to take my flower names at index I. I want to add on or concatenate a colon with a space, and then I want to concatenate, and this is the flower colors. So, and I also want that at index I. And then I want to concatenate that escape sequence to go to the new line. So string / or is that a backslash? Never know. And so I'm going to do that over and over again, and then I'm just going to return this result when I'm done. So let's see if this puppy works out, shall we? Wait, hold on. There's nothing I had to do here. Oh, I have to instantiate a flowers object with the array of names and the array of colors, and I need to print the flower object. So I'm going to go, let's see, flowers. Make sure that's a lowercase l. And I'll call it my flowers. And that is a new flowers object, which will take the, oh, I don't want to put that there. That's going to take my names, and it's going to take my colors. And then I want to go system.out.println, and I want to print out my flowers. Let's see what that puppy does. Interesting. Let's stop and try it again. There it goes. So it printed out rose and then red, pink, white, tulip, red, pink, white. Let's run the test, see if the test ran well. And it did. All right, kids, so that is lesson 4, level 7, choose your own adventure A. I'll go to another video and I'll put in the choose your own adventure for B.